show you my thing which I've been playing with and making, and it's really fun. Like and subscribe my video. Let's get into it. Here I have been making some slimes. It is really fun to play with them. Here I have activator. I got a full pack and I got all the glues and glitters, these glue sticks, whatever you, and paint to color, and some beads. And I have made some slimes here and over here as well. So I'm going to make with the glue here, and here I'm going to pick out one of my scented or like stuffing like glitter inside. I'm going to pick this green apple scented activator, which I got from this pack. And without activator, you cannot make slime. And you don't need to have this activator. There's homemade activator as well. And now I can take out some glitters if I want any, and these sticks. So first I'm gonna add my glue in the bowl. I'm gonna add how much glue which I really want to make slime with. And then close this. And then just mix the glue in. And I'm gonna see which slime color which I wanna make. Here I have all these paint colors to pick out of. I have already made a turquoise one, so I don't want to make a turquoise one again. So I have green and pink and all these. I'm gonna make a yellow one. So I'm gonna open this paint color, which has yellow. Put all my colors back there. And then just get the scissors and put it in the glue. Like that. And now I'm done putting paint because I want to go with a sunny vibe. So I'm going to mix in this color, yellow. That's a pretty color. Pretty sunny yellow. And when I'm done mixing it, I put activator. It's green apple scented, as I said. And I'm not really sure how much activator to put. I just put like a little by little because I found out how much activator I need, because I can find out how much I need because from the texture thing to find out. See, I'm gonna need more. And don't put too much because it could get over activated. For slime, it's like, don't put too much. And see, it's starting to build a slime and a really pretty color. Here I could put a little bit more and then start mixing it. And now I'm gonna take it out and start mixing with my hand, because you have to mix it with your hand or it's not gonna be perfect and sticky. So here I'm just gonna take out some really sticky. And then let me just put some activator more here and then start mixing it. I'm done making the slime. I was mixing it with my hands like this. And here's sunny theme slime which I'm making. So I'm gonna add a little of this glitter glue. I put some glitter glue. Now I'm gonna mix it in. Shining. It's a little the moment where you start mixing it, but don't worry, trust us, it works like this. Then when it turns, perfect. Here it's ready. I'm gonna put it in the box. Here I made the slime. Open the container. Here, this is an orange slime, which I made with some foam white beads. Like that. And I have a turtle version of this slime, and I like because it's a pretty color and it's really stretchy. And the activator, which these are, I used this activator and it has some color glitters inside. Here I have another slime, which is one of my clear slimes, which I use this glue, which Elmer's glue, because I only use Elmer's glue for like slime, but you can use other glue as well. Any kind of glue works. Here is the Elmer's packet, which I got this glow-in-the-dark slime, color changing slime, and glitter blue glue, and this shimmery metallic glue, and this clear purple glue, and this clear blue glue, which I made out of this. With your creativity, anything with this slime. You could put glitter, you could put glitter glues, you could put beads, you could put foam beads, anything which you have. Here I have blue glitter and red glitter and beads and more beads and alphabetic beads. And foam beads. And I make slime for my friend and I give it to her for free and then she likes my slimes a lot. I have made a purple one for her with beads. Here I'm gonna make another slime to show you guys more closely. Get my clear school Elmer's glue. That's enough. And now I'm going to be adding everything, pretty much glitters and beads, to my slime, which I'm going to be making. And I'm about to show you I have clear glue, which I'm going to be making videos of slimes now, and toys. Don't forget about that. And I have clear glue, so in one of my previous videos, I'm going to be making it with clear glue. Here, I'm going to mix it. And comment down below what color should I do for you guys. Now I'm going to put green color because I really want to make a green one. Put all the color. Take out more. Close this. And now I'm gonna put my green scented apple activator when I'm done mixing this. Here I'm gonna mix, but here I put in the green color. It's a really pretty color, light color. Here I'm actually gonna put a lot of activator now. because that turned out really sticky because I put in less activator and took it out really fast. Here, I'm gonna find out which I need to put. And I'm gonna take out all of it. Keep mixing it with your activator. And now I'm mixing. People go with their bare hands, but I just take my fingers and go like this. But now I accidentally put it on my hand. I'm gonna do this. I always do this because I don't wanna go fully with my hand because it goes all over my hand. So I just go like this and keep doing this. After like 10 minutes or like 5 minutes, I've done a little. And this one, I'm probably gonna make a grass, but I'm gonna put random colors in it to make it rainbow-ish. Here, when you're almost done making it, like mixing it with your hand, take all the slime excess off you. And don't think it's really sticky, it's just when you start mixing. Keep playing with it, keep mixing with it, it's gonna turn perfect. Here I'm done making the slime. Put this to the side over here. Here, mix noise. Like that, it's a really pretty green color. And now I'm gonna put some stuff in it. I'm gonna put blue glitter and some beads and foam beads. So first off, I'm gonna start with blue glitter. Spread it all on there, and that's enough. And now I'm just gonna mix it in the slime. Like that. Here there's some blue glitters inside, which you can see, which is really pretty. Here now I'm gonna put foam beads, my favorite because they're so cute and tiny. And I love putting these, but just be careful with them when you're taking it out, because they always spread everywhere. And that's enough for today, foam beads. I'm gonna put all of them. Can't escape. Here. I'm gonna put the table so you guys can see. It's really pretty. I love how the color is like that. And now I'm gonna put beads in here. I'm only gonna take out the green ones because I want it to be a green theme. So here, I'm gonna put some, and I'm gonna come right back when I took all of them out. Here, I'm put it on mine. Blue, and I'm not trying to put too much because then you can't make like bubbles and it won't stretch too much. Here you can put it inside. It's like green, pea color, whatever that. Here this is. It's a really pretty one and I love the texture. It's glittery. Here. It's really pretty. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Oh, that popped away, but you saw that. Here, I'm gonna put it in a container. I have a lot of containers. Dollar Tree, Dollarama, or anywhere else. But right now, I just have these, and I'm gonna be getting much more because my birthday is so close, so I'm going to be getting so many other supplies for slime. Here are the 2 slimes which I have made today. It's a bear which I got a present early, so I could sleep with it. It's my cute little bear. It says 2021 over here. And it ended, it's 2022. Go check that video out. It's so epic. And like and subscribe my video. Hope you like my video. And look at this new background which I have got. Bye!